Hello viewer, this is just a quick video of how we transformed a boring wall into a piece of art. So stay tuned, this is not a DIY but just a quick video of what all we did. First we shopped up for all the required stuff that we needed and we fit some of them in the car and some of them we had to hire a truck because they wouldn't fit in the car. Then I started cutting the pieces into the required sizes as per the design. After they were cut, I started shaping them with a lighter tool. After wrapping, I sanded them properly for a smooth finish and then I started priming them so that the color would be evenly distributed once I start coloring it. After priming the edges, then I started priming the sheets of MDF as well. After the primer had dried, I sanded them again for a smooth finish. After sanding, I gave it a quick wipe with a rag cloth and then I gave it a first coat of paint. Then I followed the same pattern of painting the edges first and then painting the faces of the MDF. As our design contained an arch as well, so I measured the required width of the arch and then I made a straight cut with a circular saw. After the pillars of the arch were cut, it was time to actually cut the arch as per the design. So I measured a proper semicircles for the arches and with the help of a jigsaw I made the required cuts. Next, to give the wall a smooth finish, I applied some liquid nails and with the help of actual nails I stuck some hardboard to the wall. Made cuts for the power outlets. As I wanted to elevate the arch, so I stuck two pieces of plywood together to give it an elevated design and I left a gap in between so that I can fit in some LED strip. And after that was done, so it was time to apply drywall mud to all the joints so that it gives a seamless finish. After the drywall mud had dried, I sanded it properly with an optical sander and also used the vacuum. After sanding was done, I laid some polythene sheet so that the paint does not spoil the carpet and it was time to paint the wall. After the paint had dried, it's time to stick the MDF pieces together to form the required design which we had thought of in the beginning. After the design is put together, it's time to give the design a second coat of paint for a seamless finish. Once the second coat of paint is completed and also a fluted panel has been installed on the other end of the corner and install the electrical lights to it. So this is how the complete design looks like. Thank you for watching, and this is just a very comprehensive video of what all we did. So if you're looking for a detailed video, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try to upload that video as well. Actually, it is a 7 hours video that I took, but I'll try to cut it.